Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? Today, inshallah, we will have lesson 5, grammar. And the grammar for today is the present continuous tense, زمن الماضي المستمر. First, we should remember the story. Read it. Which sentence isn't in the story? Say. نقرأ القصة مرة ثانية. ده احنا قرأناها أكثر من مرة. ونشوف الجمل الغير موجودة في القصة. I was filming the actors. What were you doing? I was looking after the costumes. I was telling everybody what to do. Okay, all of these sentences in the story, but one isn't exist. واحدة مش موجودة في القصة. Which one? Okay, it's number 3. I was looking after the costumes. This sentence wasn't in the story. Okay. This is question number 1. Number 2. Look here. To recognize the past continuous tense عشان تعرف على زمن الماضي المستمر هتلاقيه بيتكون من ايه؟ هو سهل جدا هنقوله دلوقتي وهنفسره ان شاء الله. Was or were plus verb plus ing. Here in question number 2 look at the sentences from the story. هتنظر الجمل في القصة. Read and choose. اقرأ واختر الإجابة الصحيحة. Okay. Number 1. The sentences are about the present or the past. الجمل الحديث اللي كان في القصة ما بين صوفي and ماسون كان في present مضارع or the past. It was in the past. كان حديث في الماضي. Okay. Number 2. The sentence use was or were plus. الجمل اللي كانت مستخدمة كان فيها was or were plus verb plus ing or verb plus ed. الفعل اللي بيأتي بعد was or were verb plus ing. Good. Number 3. The sentences are about single action or a continuous action. الجمل ديت كانت عن أحداث منفصلة، أحداث فردية وانتهت. Actions that happened in the past and ended. حدث في الماضي وانتهى. Or continuous action يعني حدث استمر لفترة في الماضي. It was a continuous action. Continuous means مستمر. الفعل كان مستمر فترة في الماضي. Okay. Here the question in past continuous, but before we do it, let's see this. Okay. The present continuous tense, the past continuous tense, sorry. Look with me. The past continuous tense. Okay, what is the form of the past continuous tense? Form يعني الشكل أو التكوين مما يتكون. إزاي أنا أقدر أشكله؟ Okay, we put first the subject, then we put was or were plus verb plus ing. Okay, this is a form of past continuous tense. زمن الماضي المستمر بيتكون was or were plus verb plus ing. When we use was or use were. متى بنستخدم was ونستخدم were؟ Okay, let's see. We use was with if the subject is. Listen. And where with these subjects Okay. We use was with. Listen carefully. I, when the subject is I said I was. If subject is he, we use was. If the subject is she, we use was. She was. It. It was. Okay. We know this before. And singular. Singular. Any singular noun أي اسم مفرد like Ahmed was, Ali was, my brother was. Then we put verb plus ing. Like this example, I was watching TV at 5 o'clock yesterday. I was watching TV at 5 o'clock yesterday. كنت شاهدت التلفاز بالأمس الساعة 5 مساء. Okay, it's small letter. Where? When we use where, okay, we use where with. You were. We can't say you was, okay? You were. We were. We were watching. We were playing. We were sleeping. They were. And finally, the plural nouns. Plural nouns الاسم الجمع. Ahmed and Omar were watching TV. The boys were playing tennis. Okay, like this example. We were playing tennis at 6 o'clock last evening. الأمس الساعة 6 مساء كنا بنلعب تنس. We were playing tennis. قلت علي and Omar were listening to the lesson. Ahmed and Omar were listening to the lesson. Okay. Again, listen here. When we make a question, we start with what or any question word أي أداة استفهام plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Then the rest of the sentence then question mark. Okay, this is WH question, سؤال استفهامي, because we start with a WH or a question word بأداة استفهام. Okay, how can we say this? For example, we say what were you doing yesterday Ahmed. What were you doing yesterday أحمد؟ ماذا كنت تفعل بالأمس يا أحمد؟ What were you doing? Okay. In the answer we have you, we converted to I. ماذا كنت تفعل أنت؟ What were you doing? ماذا كنت تفعل أنت؟ We change it to I, أنا. Then we put was, I was watching the match. كنت أشاهد المباراة. Okay. So again the past continuous tense, the form تكوين زمن الماضي المستمر was were plus verb plus ing. We use was with I, he, she, it singular, and we use were with you, we, they, and plural. The first example, I was watching TV at 5 o'clock, and look here, we put the time here in the past. I was watching TV at 5 o'clock yesterday. We were playing tennis at 6 o'clock last evening. Ali and Omar were listening to the lesson. When we form a question, we start with question word plus was or were plus verb plus ing. What were you doing yesterday, Ahmed? I was watching the match. Okay. The past continuous tense used in actions that happened in the past. أحداث حدثت في الماضي or started in the past بدأت في الماضي and continued for a period of time واستمرت لفترة من الوقت then ended in the past. يعني فعل بدأ في الماضي واستمر لفترة من الوقت وانتهى أيضا في الماضي. For example, I was watching TV at 5 o'clock yesterday. أنا جلست أشاهد التلفاز مثلا from 4 o'clock من الساعة الرابعة 4 o'clock 5 o'clock 6 o'clock this period من الساعة 4 للساعة 6 مثلا كنت أشاهد التلفاز. لكن الأكشن أو الفعل نفسه انتهى في الماضي ذلك أنا بضع الجملة في زمن الماضي المستمر. أوكي نرجع للكتاب. Now here in activity number 3 listen and follow. First, what were you doing at 10 o'clock or what were you doing at 2:30 yesterday or on Monday? Here he puts the time وضع الوقت. In the answer we have were you, but in the answer I said I was filming the actors. كنت أصور الممثلين. I was doing the makeup. I was playing the hero. كنت بلعب دور البطل هيرو لو بطل الفيلم. I was doing stunts. كنت بعمل الحركات الأكشن أو الحركات الخطرة في الفيلم. I was looking after the costumes. كنت أبحث عن الملابس أو الأزياء الخاصة بالفيلم. I was telling everybody what to do. أنا اللي كنت بأخبر كل شخص what to do. Okay, again, listen.
What were you doing at 10 o'clock yesterday?
I was filming the actors. What were you doing at 2:30 on Monday?
I was doing stunts.
I was doing stunts. I was doing stunts. Okay. So this is how to form a question. ده ازاي نقدر نكون جملة والإجابة سؤال والإجابة عنه. We use was plus verb plus ing to talk about a continuous action in the past. أحداث مستمرة في الماضي. Okay. In this activity we can do it each other and me ترسلها لي إن شاء الله. Think about what you were doing at these times yesterday. At 8:30 الساعة 8:30. It's 12:30 الساعة 12:30. At 5 o'clock 5 بالضبط. Here's the boy asking What were you doing at 7 o'clock yesterday? 7 o'clock. What you were doing? I was getting dressed. كنت أرتدي ملابس. So we choose this. Getting dressed. Number 2. I was getting dressed. Okay, you can do it yourself. Now, let's go to the activity book. Number 1, listen and number.
I'm the actor. At 11 o'clock yesterday, I was talking to the makeup artist. 2. I'm the director. At 11 o'clock yesterday, I was watching the stunt person.
Okay, I was watching.
3.
I'm the stunt person. At 11 o'clock yesterday, I was climbing a cliff.
Okay, the stunt person.
4. I'm the makeup artist.
The makeup
At 11
artist.
o'clock yesterday, I was talking to the actor.
أنا كنت أتحدث مع ممثلة.
5. I'm the cameraman. At 11 o'clock yesterday, I was filming the stunt person.
Cameraman was filming the stunt
6.
person.
I'm the wardrobe assistant. At 11 o'clock yesterday, I was drinking coffee.
Okay, she was drinking coffee at 11 o'clock yesterday. In activity number 2, look at the picture in activity 1, complete with was or wasn't. Okay, negative or passive. بالنفي أو الإيجاب. Number 1, the director. This is the director. المخرجة. I wasn't drinking coffee. I was watching the stunt person. Number 2, this person, the makeup. I filming the actor. I filming the stunt man. The cameraman. I wasn't filming the actor. ما كنتش بصور الممثلة. I was filming. كنت أصور the stunt person اللي هو اللي بيأدي الألعاب الخطرة أو المشاهد الخطرة في الفيلم. Number 3, talking the makeup artist. I acting. I wasn't acting. Number 4, I drink coffee. I was drinking coffee. I wasn't talking to the makeup artist. Number 5, I climbing a volcano. Stunt person. I wasn't climbing a volcano. I was climbing a cliff. cliff يعني منحدر صخري أو منحدر جبل. Number 6, I wasn't talking to the actor. I was watching the stunt person. This is the director. Okay. Here, number 3, write the words in order to make questions, then write answers for you. rearrange these words. هتعيد ترتيب الكلمات ديت عشان تقدر تكون سؤال وبعدين then you will answer for yourself. هتجاوب عن نفسك. We have these words. Passed at 8 you yesterday doing what were have. Then question mark. We will start with question word. هنبدأ بأداة الاستفهام. Then the helping verb الفعل المساعد were. Subject you. Verb plus ing doing. Then the time at 8:30 yesterday. Question mark. What were you doing at 8:30 yesterday? I was, okay, you can answer it. I was filming the actor. كنت بصور الممثل. Were 11 at doing what yesterday you clock? Question word. Okay, number 2. What were you doing at 11 o'clock yesterday? The answer, I was having lunch or breakfast. كنت أتناول فطوري. Number 3, have doing 3 were yesterday you at what past? How we can do it. We'll start with what, then we put where, the subject you, what were you doing at 3:30 yesterday. The answer 3:30 3:30. I was playing with my brother. كنت ألعب مع إخواني. Okay, we have finished for now. خلصنا الحمد لله. أتمنى تعملوا الواجب الإلكتروني بعد مشاهدة الفيلم، مشاهدة الفيديو، وتذاكروا قاعدة الماضي المستمر جيدا، ونحل على الموقع بتاع المدرسة، مدرستي في بيتي، الواجب الإلكتروني إن شاء الله. Thank you so much. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.